What is the Databricks Lakehouse Platform? Databricks and the Databricks Lakehouse Platform. In this video, you'll learn about Databricks and the Databricks Lakehouse Platform. You'll also learn how to define the Databricks Lakehouse Platform, give examples of how to solve big data challenges, and describe how it benefits data practitioners. Databricks was founded in 2013 by the original creators of Apache Spark, Delta Lake, and MLflow. As the world's first and only lakehouse platform in the cloud, Databricks combines the best of data warehouses and data lakes to offer an open and unified platform for data and AI. Databricks is the inventor and pioneer of the data lakehouse architecture, coining the term in the research paper, Lakehouse, a new generation of open platforms that unify data warehousing and advanced analytics, co-authored by the Databricks founders UC Berkeley and Stanford University in 2021. The Lakehouse paradigm is designed as the ideal data and AI platform for all data types that is open with a single security and governance model. Not only is it designed to manage all data types, but it is cloud agnostic, so data can be governed wherever it is stored. Because its purpose is to support all major data and AI workloads, teams can easily collaborate and access all the data they need to keep innovating and improving. All of these architectural features are realized on the Databricks Lakehouse platform, including the reliability and performance of Delta Lake as the data lake foundation, a fine-grained governance for data and AI with Unity Catalog, and support for persona-based use cases for all data team members. The Databricks Lakehouse platform architecture also provides instant and serverless compute, where Databricks provides and manages the compute layer on behalf of the customer. Combining the best elements of data warehouses, such as reliability, governance, and performance, with the openness and flexibility and machine learning support of data lakes, the Databricks Lakehouse platform is a single platform that unifies data warehousing and AI use cases. This unified approach eliminates the challenges caused by previous data environments, such as data silos, complicated structures, and fractured governance and security structures. To reiterate the benefits of the Data Lakehouse platform, first, it is simple, by providing a unified platform and eliminating the complexity and expense that stands in the way of achieving the full potential of data analytics and AI initiatives. It is open, with a foundation on Delta Lake for reliability and performance, while avoiding proprietary systems, thus making it easy to share data unrestricted. It allows you to build the ecosystem you need with open source projects and the vast network of Databricks partners. And it is multi-cloud, allowing you to work on the cloud platform currently in use with a consistent management, security, and governance experience. The Databricks Lakehouse platform supports the workloads for data teams, including data warehousing, data engineering, data streaming, and data science and machine learning. And speaking of partners, the Databricks Lakehouse platform provides the flexibility to use your existing infrastructure, share your data, and build a modern data stack with unrestricted access to open source data projects and the broad Databricks partner network, including but not limited to those shown here.